I have one too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're recording?
Yep.
Alright, well, first thing, see this little thing?
Yeah.
Okay, you need to screw it out.
Yes.
Take it right out. And you see you've got lots of oil. Okay, put it back in. No. Pull. Yeah, you gotta be careful. You cross thread that.
Okay.
Go slow, don't panic. Take it in. Alright, you gotta turn your fuel on. See it says off, reserve, on, so you turn that all the way down to the bottom there. Yeah, there you go. Okay, and you'll want to give it full choke. Remember we had half choke? Yeah, there you go. And we'll see what happens. It's promising. A little gas, just a little bit. Right, keep cranking it for a bit. Yeah, we probably have to change the plug. So let's let it sit a bit. We might have plugged it. Because it did fire once. But you stopped cranking too soon. Which isn't your fault. No, we won't. What happens, I think, sometimes when it doesn't fire and you have full choke on, you get too much gas in, and what that's called is you flooded it. Yeah, no, just crank it. You mind if I try it? As I say, those first starts can be kind of crazy. Such a lovely spot. Glare. Well, maybe. Almost. You got cow poop on your plug.
Oh.
There's some, there's some. There's some. Usually if it's flooded, this will be all wet
Yeah.
with gas, but it's pretty black, so.
Happened last in October of 2020.
Yep. We'll be able to keep the sandblasting later. Let's look at that. I know it's mechanical. This is an old one. Do you have a new one?
It's probably the new one.
These can both be salvaged. We'll get up to keep the sandblasting for us later. I'm gonna put this one back in the box. Just relax there. You're shaking. It's supposed to be fun.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You want that, yeah.
On the, put it on the spark plug.
Yeah, it goes on the end. Protects the electrode a little bit.